All right, here's one for all you multi-site operators out there. The Quivio sensing module is about giving you a live stream of data across all your locations. Even if you don't have Sunny's controls, you can utilize Quivio sensing module. We're talking about live data from your tunnels on water flow, chemical usage, dilutions, all in one dashboard. You can see when a site is running high on water usage or low on chemistry. Let's say you got a problem and something's off. Now you can spot it early and make adjustments before the bill shows up. You can set alerts, thresholds, track usage per car, all live on the fly. It's not just data, it's decision-making power. With Aqualab QE integration, you get a full picture of what's happening under the hood of every site. This is next-generation tunnel intelligence. Check out the sensing module from Quivio with the Aqualab QE integration.